let's talk about composition. We're going to use this f and this g to find a variety of compositions, starting with f composed with g of x. That's what the round circle means. F composed with g. That's how you say it. An alternate notation is double parentheses, and I like that better because it gives one a roadmap in terms of what to do. In math, we always do what's on the inside of the parentheses first. So that is step one. Leave f alone, it's on the outside, and on the inside, replace g of x with what it is. G of x is x plus 2 over x minus 3. Step two is to f that. So you're going to take f and apply it to whatever is in the parentheses. F says, take what's in the parentheses, subtract 4, put it in the numerator, and then add 7 and put that in the denominator. At this point, we're done finding the composition. We just need to simplify. The quickest way to simplify a complex fraction is to multiply top and bottom by the LCD of all the fractions that you see. So in this case, if I multiply the top and the bottom of this fraction by x minus 3, first of all, I'm just multiplying by 1 because x minus 3 over x minus 3 is 1, but it will clear out the denominators. Distribute to both terms in the numerator, and then distribute the x minus 3 to both terms in the denominators. Notice my use of parentheses. Finally, simplify and combine like terms. All right, using the same f and g, let's go in the other direction. Now we're going to do g composed with f of x. In general, composition is not commutative, whereas multiplication is. Order matters in composition. So again, we leave the outside alone, g stays fixed, and we replace f with what it is, x minus 4 over x plus 7. Step two, we're going to g that. So apply g to what's in the parentheses. G says, take what's in the parentheses, add 2, put that in the numerator, and then take what's in the parentheses, subtract 3, and put that in the denominator. This time, in order to simplify, we're going to multiply top and bottom by x plus 7. And that is step 3. Multiply top and bottom by x plus 7. Combine like terms. And we're done. All right, we're only going to do one more of these. We're going to do f composed with f. Your homework asks you to do g composed with g, but I think if you can do these three, you'll be able to do anything that they throw at you. All right, f composed with f. We leave the outside f alone, and we replace the inside f with x minus 4 over x plus 7. Step two, apply f to that. So f says take what's in the parentheses, subtract 4, put that in the numerator, then add 7 to what's in the parentheses and put that in the denominator. Finally, simplify. We're going to do that by multiplying top and bottom by x plus 7. So multiply top and bottom by x plus 7, distribute, clean things up, and I've got my answer. All right, I want to do one more problem with you from your homework, just to, I don't know, just to give you another flavored example. Here we've got a square and a square root. We're going to find f composed with g and g composed with f. So for f composed with g, we're going to leave the outside function alone and replace g with what it is. G of x is the square root of x minus 3. And you can guess what step two is going to be. It's going to be to f that. F says take what's in the parentheses, square it, and add 5. And finally, simplify. The square root of x minus 3 all squared is simply x minus 3, and then we add 5 to get x plus 2. All right, going in the other direction, g composed with f. First we put in f, which is x squared plus 5, and now we're going to g that. G says take what's in the parentheses, subtract 3, and then take the square root. So I take the x squared plus 5, subtract 3, then take the square root. And when I simplify, I just get x squared plus 2 underneath the square root sign. And that's it. I hope this helps.